Everybody fucking jump!
Alrighty, welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. We're back in the Jordan room. Get you guys a little bit of box action as we add some more shoes to the collection. For those of you who don't know, I buy 2 of every Nike or Jordan GR each year to try to have one of the most exclusive sneaker collections available. One day I hope to open a sneaker museum, but that's another story. So if you have a chance, please like and subscribe to the channel to help us out. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG True Blue White Cement Gray, aka the Jordan 1 OG High True Blues. I got these because these were the first Jordan release of this year. I had these sometime last year. I just got some more today, so I said I might as well bring them out. This one's a size 9, so if you're interested in the size 9, this shoe, matter of fact, this can't be yours. Cousin Ron, I believe this is your pair. I'll give you a call. The materials on this shoe seem to be pretty good. Tumbled leather. So everything looks pretty good on this shoe. I don't know why this shoe didn't do too good. I guess because the Jordan 1 is finished. But you get the cement gray color blocking on the back. It's all around good Jordan. Like I said, if you like Jordan 1s, please pick up this shoe. Don't let these shoes sit, guys. You don't get any extra laces or anything like that, but shoe's still pretty much basically good. A little bit of light action. See gray, Jordan 1 bottom. Let's get this shoe up here. You see you get the True Blue mudguard, white toe box. True Blue laces with the True Blue Nike Air logo at the top. This side, get the continuation of the True Blue mudguard. Get the True Blue Nike swoosh. The True Blue Jordan Wings logo on the back of the cement gray backdrop. On the back of the shoe, get the white with the cement breakup to the white and True Blue breakup to the all black. The all cement gray back. I apologize, guys. This side of the shoe, you roughly get the same thing. Get a little white insole in the shoe as well. Nothing special. Like I said, back to the gray Jordan bottom. Standard Jordan 1. Like I said, I don't know if the Jordan 1 is going to come back right now. The Jordan 4 is king. It has to be a collab. Probably for it to make it go. Maybe if Travis Scott drops some more 1s, but I don't know if he's going to drop any more 1s. Let me give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's going to be on your feet. You know what shoes you guys are buying or shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. I'm going to try to unbox a pair of shoes every day so we can get this rolling again. I'm looking for some rare shoes or shoes that other people probably don't have to probably try to get some more exposure for the channel. But like I said, that's another topic. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there. Keep your collections growing.
Everybody fucking jump!